Good job, guys. Could we have one more round of applause for everyone that was there? And also one more for my mom.
I want to say thanks for your support and your love. And okay, my students are your kids. I have mom's name. So recently, 1 month, I was very nervous because near the date, they start nervous and make a mistake a lot. Yeah, but today, best. Yeah, one more. Thank you after we prepare for your delicious some food, the cordial hand. Thank you so much.
Okay, will all these students come up to take a group photo?